Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can contact Bitget customer service. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get to it. So for that, go ahead, open up your browser, type in bitget.com or simply type in Bitget so you can get the search results. Now from over here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on this particular link. Once I've done that, I will first get the sign up and account section, or create account and sign up section. From over here, all I have to do is scroll, and even within the interface you will find this little blue icon given with a little customer support icon on it. You simply have to tap on it and you can choose between logging in and continue as visitor. Since you already have an account, log in would be perfect. If you are simply a visitor, tap on continue as visitor. Now you have plenty of questions on board that you might ask regarding. You can upload an appeal, reset identity verification, reset 2FA, submit a ticket. These are self-services, all available. And if you simply would like to contact the online customer service, simply have to tap on that particular button. And now you will be able to chat with the BG bot, which will simply answer your questions right away on the spot. You can also choose to ask them regarding any concern that you have, and that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.